What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at the No.1 smartwatch. As of right now, there's like a flash sale going on and it's only like $22. So super cheap. It's got really good reviews. It's almost 5-star rated. Now I am gonna be giving this away for those who haven't been around the last few weeks. We're actually doing a 12 days of giveaways or 12 giveaways. The PewDiePie and the Ninja Ugly Christmas Sweater giveaway, the winners are right here. And I'm gonna be giving this away. All you gotta do is subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to make sure you get notified when I upload a new video, like this video, share the video, and leave a comment down below. Now, last week, I asked you guys to leave a comment about how many keys you have, because we looked at a keychain. This week, I want you to leave a comment down below, what's your favorite watch? And if you don't even have a watch, just leave a nice comment. But let's get into this. Okay, so now the No.1 F13 smartwatch, it's Bluetooth 4.0. It is IP68 rated. It can withstand dust and dirt and sand, and can be submerged in 1.5 meters of water for about 30 minutes. Oh, dang, that looks nice. That's pretty slick. Oh, I'm digging that already. All right, we got some instructions. We've got a USB, about a 1.5 foot long USB to some sort of proprietary cable. It's a 1-inch sapphire screen. It has a 350 milliamp hour battery, so you get about 25 days of battery life. Now on the back, you can see that's where you plug. Oh, okay, so I get it. It just connects like that. So whenever you want to charge it, you just put it on there like that. Right here, you can see it has the heart rate monitor sensor. You've got a stop, start, up and down. This is a very interesting diagram. It's got A, B, C, D, E, but nowhere in here does it say what any of those mean. Okay. All right, well, we're gonna have to figure out how to turn the thing on, I guess. I think it might be dead. Ah, it is dead. Okay, but interesting, when I plug it in, it immediately shows up. Okay, so the interface is pretty simple. The only thing it looks like that's touch is the main menu, which is right here. It looks like it only has about 3 different built-in faces. This one seems to be the most intuitive. It's got the date and the time. It's got your heart rate right there. I guess that's calorie burner, and then it has your step counter. Find your phone. You got stopwatch, vibration, buzzing. Okay, so here's the menu. Oh wow, you got drinking water reminder, remotely take a picture. You can change the units, which is always good, from metric to inch, Celsius to Fahrenheit. The app interface itself is actually kind of neat. I'm kind of digging this, the way it's laid out. Here you've got your sleep monitor and it shows the time, sleep quality, step indicator, sports. You can actually compete with yourself. You got a little calorie burner. You've got your analytics on here for step and sleep. It's pretty straightforward. Now let me take off my, oh, for those who are wondering, this is the Xiaomi Amazfit Pace. I've been wearing this since I unboxed it like a year or more ago. It's been a long time, but I constantly wear this. Now the band on here, it's pretty heavy duty rubber. Nothing too special, but it definitely doesn't feel cheap. I will say for something that's like $22, it feels like it's at least 23. Oh yeah, it's not bad looking at all. It's actually not a bad looking watch. I'm definitely digging it. I'm liking the style. It's not too big, not too small. It's a good looking watch. 22 bucks, I think it's worth 22 bucks. Yeah, not bad at all. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself. But as for now, get out of here.